very well packed. So here are the felt seals and this rubber seal. I don't know, there's 3 of those, 1 of those. Okay, so there's 2 more of these for the other side. The felt seal and metal. I will open this. Looks like I have to cut it myself here. Yeah, probably have to cut it myself. These I'm not going to use because I have the old ones that are very good. This is just flat metal. I'm not going to use these. But this is good. This I don't understand why it's not cut. And I also did buy the 2 hubs. Let's see what they look like. And all the bearing and the nuts for this. The seal, all the shims, another the seal, the washers, and here the nuts. Nice, looks like stainless steel. Let's open up these the kit by itself is cheap, but I opted to also go for this, and I did well because when I opened up mine, the metal was not so good. Okay, this is the most important here. This does not look so center. I like how these all have this how do you call it, grease nipples. This is new to me, first time that I see this. I'm very happy about this. I hope they will fit well. For $100 extra for the two, I think it was a extreme value. And mine were already corroded here, so the bearings were not riding properly. So very happy about this. Again, I hope they all fit well. I need to reuse my old nuts. It's a pity that this did not came with the kits, so I'm going to reuse all the old nuts except this came. I mean, they didn't say that I would have the nuts, but 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, I'm not sure what this is. Tension roller bearing. Nice. Again, I just have to check what these numbers are. Maybe this is the same, should be the same of this, 4 and 4. Anyway, so this is my shopping experience from eBay, RVT Powers in India. It's everything that I needed. Was pretty cheap. $100 extra for this. I'm just happy that it's conveniently all together in one set, that I don't have to go search and, you know, get this bearing separate and etc. Everything was all together. I paid $130